Romania took a major step forward in bolstering its national defense by signing a multi-billion-euro deal with Israel's Rafael advanced defense systems. According to Romanian outlet Hot News, the agreement was concluded by the Ministry of National Defense, working through its armaments agency and the state procurement company Romtenica SA. The 7-year framework outlines the acquisition of modern short-range and very short-range air defense capabilities as part of Romania's broader air defense overhaul. The €2.038 billion contract centers on the delivery of 6 integrated SHORAD and VSHORAD units, complete with launch batteries, munitions, logistical support, and a suite of training and evaluation tools. Rafael's Spyder system, a cutting-edge mobile missile platform, will serve as the backbone of this new layer in Romania's defensive posture. Deliveries are expected to begin within 3 years, starting with 2 VSHORAD units. The Spyder system, short for Surface-to-Air Python and Derby, uses a dual missile strategy, deploying Python 5 infrared-guided and Derby radar-guided projectiles to counter airborne threats such as drones, helicopters, low-flying jets, and smart munitions. These missiles are launched from mobile platforms equipped with state-of-the-art radar and electro-optical tracking, providing full-spectrum engagement capability across weather and lighting conditions. Spyder is fielded in several configurations, with the short-range (SR) version offering defense coverage out to 20 kilometers, ideal for shielding frontline troops or high-value targets. Extended variants (AR, MR, and LR) expand the defensive radius to over 70 kilometers, but Romania's focus with this purchase remains on SHORAD and VSHORAD, highlighting a strategy centered on rapid response and close-in protection. This latest procurement adds a crucial dimension to Romania's multi-tiered defense network, which already includes US-sourced Patriot PAC-3 systems for long-range threats and Norwegian NASAMS batteries for medium-range coverage. Additionally, modernized Oerlikon GDF 35mm cannons contribute to the country's low-altitude defense capabilities. With the war in Ukraine continuing to destabilize Eastern Europe, Bucharest's move underscores a growing urgency among NATO's eastern members to enhance deterrence and defend against increasingly complex threats, including UAV swarms and precision missile strikes. By integrating Israeli Spyder technology into its arsenal, Romania not only reinforces its national security but also strengthens its role in NATO's collective shield.